Starting off in this video, JC is measuring the height from the ground to my eyes, and then she's going to measure the distance from me to the wall, because what we're doing here is that big pillar at the top is our object, but as you can see, there's two big walls in the way. So what we wanted to do is measure from me to the wall, and right here JC is going to turn, because the idea is once JC gets to the corner of that trailer, she's going to turn, because we believe by doing this we should get a good rough estimate of what the distance from me to the pillar would be, or me to the object would be. And this will help with our measurements, because we will have from me to the stick to me to the object, and having these will help in solving for the height of the object. Now, as you can see right here, once JC gets to the very end, she stops. The thing you want to do is take this one big triangle and turn it into these two smaller similar triangles. And next thing you want to do after this is get your measurements. Now you want your height of the stick, or h of s, which is equal to 6 feet or 72 inches. Then you want to do height of I, or height of E, which is equal to 4 feet 10 inches or 58. Next you want U to the stick, which is about 18 inches, and U to the object. And that's equal to 799 inches. Now you want to incorporate all of this into your triangles. Now how would you do that? Now the smaller triangle is from U to the stick, and you would take 18, which is U to the stick, and that's 18 inches in distance. And you would take the height of the I, which is 58, and you subtract that from the height of the stick, which is 72, and that gives you 14, which gives you the height of the smaller triangle. Now, something to remember is that once you have these two, you're still going to be missing some sides. So, next thing up is U to the object, which is 799, and to find this missing height, what you want to do is set up a proportion, which would be 14 inches over top of 18 inches equals x over 799, which then goes to 11,186 over top of 18 equals 18x over 18. You want to cancel this out. X is equal to about 621.4, and you want to take this and add it to the height of your eye, which is about 58. So doing this, you get 679.4. And that right there would be your height. And you can see that this height and the distance aren't that far off from each other. Now, if you were to convert this height into feet, you would get roughly around 56 feet, and that would be your height of the object.